Welcome to the UV Center of Excellence at the Fraunhofer ILT in Aachen, Germany. In collaboration with Coherent, we present innovative laser processing opportunities for your company. Envision the possibilities of UV laser applications with superior precision and unmatched throughput. Coherent and the Fraunhofer ILT want to bring these within your reach. Together, we're offering the opportunity to explore UV laser applications and the experience of layer selectivity and precision over a wide range of materials. UV laser and beam system technologies enable the next step in precision manufacturing. At the UV Center of Excellence in Aachen, we provide a wide selection of coherent UV lasers for enabling novel, large-area microprocessing. With this UV laser processing hub, we offer our partners ready-to-deploy industrial laser solutions for experimenting, developing, evaluating, and preparing the scaling of ultra-precision processing for mass production. The UV Center of Excellence in Aachen, turning UV photons into innovations.